When I got these Mpow M5s or T5s, which I think I got these on accident from a company, I was really blown away, especially when I saw that these MSRP at around $50. We're going to get into like a brief initial impressions of them and just kind of like my overall like feelings about these headphones. Now, first and foremost, I knew nothing about these headphones before I received them. I still think that there was an issue and the company sent me the wrong product. Like, why, likely or not, I don't know. But hey, I have a pair of new truly wireless headphones. I'm gonna review them. When I first took these out of the packaging, one of the things that like immediately struck me was the size of the case. Now, not that the size of the case is necessarily a bad thing. It's just like one of the bigger cases that we currently have. It's probably twice the size of the case for the Halo GT1s. And this is a pretty similar size to what we have from the QCY T1 Pro. Now, prior to this, the QCY T1 Pro have been my favorite pair of headphones at around like the under $50 mark, like 45 bucks. These might take the cake. They offer 6 hours of playback time. And today I walked to the gym, which was 20 minutes. I listened to these at the gym and I walked home from the gym at a like medium to high volume. And when I got home, my phone said that the headphones were at 95% battery, which is absolutely incredible. On top of that, with this case, you're supposed to get an extra 35 hours or 35 hours total with these headphones, which is absolutely phenomenal. Now, the material of the case is like this soft touch fake leatherette. It does use a micro USB cable, but I might be buying one of those Baseus adapters, which I just made a video about, or I should have a video about, link up here, to give these like the wireless or like the magnetic charging, because these might become my new daily headphones. The experience when you take them out and you pair them, they pair. As soon as you pair one, the other one pairs. They pair really, really well. Connection has been stable. I have noticed some interruption at some, like in some points, depending upon the like ambient wireless networks. But overall, like these have been great. The case has 4 indicator lights, which is something I really, really love. And I'm like really surprised and happy that these headphones kind of fell into my lap. Now, the quality of these headphones, I have no way of testing it, or like I have no way of giving you guys like an overall like feedback on this. I've only had them for like a day or so, but so far I really, really like them. The sound is excellent that I'm getting out of them. Bass is great. I need to listen to some rock and roll with them before I can give you guys a better kind of estimation of whether or not I think they're that good. But like from initial impressions, I'm really, really happy with them. And if you guys want to see a follow-up video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. As always, it's been Mitchell coming to you guys from Hanoi. Peace.